Hope you all are keeping well. I'm back again with some very interesting things. Look at this, what I have. Yes, you are right. Pencils. What is this? Pencils. P is for pencil. Let's count together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pencils. And do you know, kids, today using these pencils we are going to do something very interesting. No, don't worry. I will not tell you to write anything. Okay? Now fun time. So first we will do our today's fun activity. And then we will learn something new. Okay? Are you excited? Yes, that's great. Then let's move for the activity. Okay? And let's have a look what are the things we needed for this activity. Kids, today's surprising fun activity is Christmas tree. Yes, you are right. Today we are going to make this type of pencil saving art. What is this? Christmas tree or Xmas tree. For this activity, we need some pencil savings, waste pencil savings, okay? And we need some colors. And we need Fevicol or other any glue to paste this pencil savings on paper. So, kids, you also need a paper. You can use any colorful paper also. Okay? So let's start to make our today's fun activity. Pencil saving art Xmas tree. Kids, have you noticed? This tree is just looks like a triangle. Look at this. Triangle. So, we are going to paste all the pencil savings in triangle shape. Okay? So, let's start. First, take a small piece of pencil saving and apply some glue on its back side and paste it here. Okay? Again take. Give some gap and paste it. Look at this, kids. We have to paste it in triangle shape. Okay? It's very easy. Just take a small piece and apply glue, or you can apply glue on paper, okay, and paste it like this. Now the next line. This way you have to paste. Kids, better you can apply glue on paper, okay. You just apply glue on paper. It will be easy for you to paste this pencil savings, okay? If you don't have this type of colorful pencil savings, you can use any pencil savings, okay? Waste pencil savings. This way you have to paste one line. Okay? So let's do it. And it's done. Kids, now this type of star sticker, if you have, you can paste it on the top of the Xmas tree. If you don't have this type of any star sticker, you can use paper cuttings. paper star sticker. Okay? Kids, now it's time to decorate our tree. Okay? So first, make this type of standing line. Five or six standing line you have to draw. Okay? Like this. Now, using colorful sketch pens, just make dots. Okay? Like this. Or you can draw any other things to decorate your Xmas tree. What is this? Xmas tree. This way you can make beautiful collage using waste materials, using pencil saving art. Okay? And it's done. Our beautiful Xmas tree using pencil savings is ready. Isn't it beautiful, kids? Yes. So kids, you can also make this type of pencil saving art collage. Okay? You can make this type of collage and you can decorate your room. And don't forget to share your beautiful activity pics with me. Kids, tell me, what is this? Xmas tree. What is this? Xmas tree. Very good, kids. So kids, hope you have enjoyed today's fun activity. Xmas tree using pencil savings. Now kids, listen the name of this tree. Xmas tree. What is this? Xmas tree. Listen it very carefully. Xmas tree. Repeat with ma'am. Xmas tree. Now, anyone can guess what we are going to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today, we are going to learn about the letter X. Very good, kids. What is this? X. What is this? X. This is capital letter X. And do you know X can make sounds like x, x, k and s. X. X. And look at this. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. X is for xylophone. It's a musical instrument, xylophone. X is for X-ray. Do you know what is this? X-ray. X-ray means you can see your eyes, nose, lips, face, body parts in any photographs. Okay? Photographs में हम देख सकते हैं ना? आप देख सकते हो मुझे, मैं भी आप लोगों को देख सकते हो, हम किसी को भी देख सकते हैं फोटोज में, है ना? पर क्या आप अंदर जो बोन्स है वो देख पाते हो फोटोज में? नहीं देख पाते हैं ना? यस. सो एक मशीन है जिसमें अगर फोटोग्राफ्स ले तो अंदर जो इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है ना, जो बोन्स है और अंदर जो भी है बॉडी के अंदर, वो हम देख सकते हैं. देखो ऐसे. What is this? X-ray. What is this? X-ray. So this is capital letter X. And X says X. X says X. Very good, kids. Kids, do you know we can make the letter X using our two hands like this. This is X. You also do it, ma'am. X. And now do it using your index finger. like this? X. X. What is this? X. Look at this cross. X. X. Very good, kids. You also do it on air. X. Very good, kids. X. Let's recall all the things with ma'am. What is this? Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Yes, you are right. Christmas के टाइम हम ये देखते हैं ना? Xmas tree. Now look at this. What I have? Xylophone. It's a musical instrument. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. Very good, kids. Now look at this. What is this? X-ray. Very good, kids. Through X-ray we can see our internal part, bones or other any internal part. Okay? हम बॉडी के अंदर की पिक्स देख सकते हैं. What is this? X-ray. What is this? X-ray. Very good, kids. And look at this. What I have. What is this? Yes, you are right. It's a fish. Do you want to know the name of this fish? Yes, it's a X-ray fish. आप जानते हो इसके नेम क्यों X-ray fish है? क्योंकि बाहर से हम इसके बॉडी के बोन्स देख पाते, देखो इंटरनल पार्ट देख पाते हैं, है ना? अंदर जो है वो हम बाहर से देख पाते हैं, इसलिए इस फिश को बोलते हैं X-ray fish. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. X says X says X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. X says X says X is for X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. X says X says X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. X says X says X says. So kids, this is capital letter X. This is capital letter X, and X says X says. So kids, hope you have enjoyed learning the letter X. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.